you know what products from Russia haven't been sanctioned yet by the US? It's metals, but more specifically, it's aluminum. And the reason it's not sanctioned is because of how crucial the material is. But that may change on news that just came out saying that the Biden administration may institute a complete ban. And as a result, aluminum companies like Alcoa spiked 8%. So here's where it gets interesting. Just last week, I made a video about how Virginia Fox bought thousands of dollars in Alcoa stock. The reason I'm telling you this is because I just got some more Congress trade data, and as of today, lawmakers have been pouring money into surgical robotic companies. For example, Zoe Lofgren bought Becton and Dickinson. Kathy Manning opened up a position in Intuitive Surgical, and Scott Franklin and Kathy Manning both loaded up on Medtronic. All of these companies make a significant amount of their money from robotic surgery products. And if you didn't know, the surgical robot industry has been booming in recent years. These robots allow doctors to perform complex procedures with more precision, flexibility, and control than they could have with only conventional methods. And what's interesting is that the lawmakers buying them up all sit on committees for either innovative technologies, science, or defense. So it's possible that they know something that we don't.